Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code2Test. So also do visit my website code2test.com. So where you will come up with different tutorials in automation testing tools. So in this today's tutorial we are going to learn how to install Docker for Windows machine. So to my machine, I'm having a window edition of Windows 10 Pro. So this installation would work for the individual having Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise edition. So this is only for 10 Pro and Enterprise edition level. So the first level to install a Docker for Windows is we would have to search for Docker Community Edition for Windows. Just search for this one, and first link you will be getting it. You will be coming up with this website, hub.docker.com. So under this you have a Docker desktop for Windows, and here you will come up with installation. So over here you have a requires Microsoft Windows 10 Professional or Enterprise. As I said that it's for the installation of 10 Professional or Enterprise 16 4-bit machine. So you have a stable version over here. Just click it into get stable. So once you click into it, you will see that an exe has been downloaded. So I have already downloaded this one, so I'll cancel it. Okay, so once you download, you will get something like that. You will come with an installation installer downloaded. You don't have to do anything. You have to double click on this installer. But before double clicking into this setup, there is some preconditions during the installation. The precondition is that we have to check our virtualization is enabled or not. So how to check my virtualization is enabled or not? You just right click into task manager, and over here there is a performance tab. So click it over here. Once you click it, you will see that virtualization is enabled. So for me it's enabled. If you guys your machine with virtualization is not enabled, just enable it. Okay, so after that just click this installer. Okay, once you double click, it would ask for the permission. Just click to yes. After that, the Docker desktop will see all the packages. It will download all its packages and check the precondition on background. So it's downloading. So after once you download it, it will give the configuration in three options. So you don't have to do anything. Just click to OK. Once you click to OK, it will start unpacking the files, the downloaded files. It will unpack it, and it will take some a few minutes. And this is a Docker 2.4.0.0 version, so it's a bit time taking, not much. So it will keep on unpacking the files. It will take few more minutes. Just be with me. So meanwhile it is being in the process of unpacking, we check its website. So this is a Docker website. It has its own repository. So it have lot of things with its internal lot of images. So we can perform multiple tasks, and if we want to search any of the image or download any image, or do you want any something like that? For example, I want an image for Selenium. I just need to search it over here. After that you see that uh, the Selenium images is been coming up, and this is a Selenium server standalone Chrome. Okay, so there are lot of things in a form of image. Okay, so in further tutorials I just came across these images and came up with basic commands, but all the commands is being used on Docker. Okay, and also for if you want any of the images, we just need to do a search inside this one. And uh, as I'm already been logged in with my credentials, so you can see, you guys can create your own profile over here. And once you create your profile, so you have the access, you have everything with you. Okay, suppose I'm searching for Nginx. So it's a web server. So once you click it, you see that Nginx is official image is getting highlighted over here. You just click it and you will see that the commands are being there. If I want to pull something, I have the command with me, docker pull nginx. So in further tutorials, I have described how I am able to pull my images and all. So it's a big time taking. So we you don't have any option. We have to wait for this unpacking files. So there are a lot of files that runs behind this one docker. So it's a one-time setup, means it's a one-time process. We don't have to do it multiple times. uh, it will do on the all the unpacking of jars, deploying components. Okay, so you see that it's successfully installed the you can see the message installation succeeded. And also you can see the icon over here, docker desktop. Okay, so what we need to do is just close this one. Okay, so I have closed my window. Just open your PowerShell. Just click it over here. Okay, you see that your PowerShell being open. This is your console for Windows machine. Let's check Docker is being installed or not. Okay, so it's not being recognized. Okay, the reason is we have to we need to restart your system, because if we are not restarting it, the new implementation would not be getting displayed over here. Okay, so I'm just restarting my machine. So be with me. So I have just restarted machine, and let's check our Docker is properly installed to our Windows or not. I'm just opening my PowerShell again. Okay, so to check whether our Docker is properly installed or not, we just need to hit a command to check the version. So we have a command like docker-v. So you see that Docker version 19.03.13 has been installed now with build ID as this one. So let's hit some other command also, -help. So you said see that all the Docker commands with the help command is being displayed over here. We have lot of commands like pull, push, and we have lot that we are going to discuss on further videos. So our agenda for today's is being completed. We have successfully installed our Docker for Windows in our Windows machine. So I tried it with pro version, so it will be work fine for pro and enterprise version. But when we are going degrading our OS to Windows 7 8, so we have some other thing for the installation. So in that case we have to install Docker tools for that. So that I will cover in other tutorials. So thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe, like, and share my video, this tutorial. Thank you. Thanks a lot.